heart is hard to carry after dark. You're to blame for what we could have been, cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it, and I'm going back there tonight. You know what's on my mind this time.
I'm just getting ready for my trip. Guess what, guys? I'm coming back home. It's been 2 years since I haven't gone back to Uganda, you know, because I was waiting for my green card to be out, and I waited for almost like a year and a half until it was out in July. And I planned to travel, but then after I was like, no, I'll just go Christmas. And then Christmas I had to spend it with my husband, and that's why I postponed to January. So I'm coming home finally. Anyways, I'm trying to get ready. As you can see, I've already packed one of the suitcases, so this is gonna be my own clothes that I wear, because I have 2 suitcases that I want to leave home, and then this is just gonna be my own, you know, stuff, personal care, facial stuff. Before we do that, I do have an appointment with the clinic. I have to go and get my IV drip for my vitamins and glutathione. So I think I'm gonna have to do that before I start packing. So let's go get our IV drip, and then we come back home, we'll start packing. And meanwhile, Happy New Year. Today we're also taking down our Christmas tree. The dining table, I've already cleared that, but I want to take this out. So before I leave, I don't want to come back because I might spend a whole month back home. I don't want to come back when there is still Christmas decorations in my house. But anyways, Happy New Year. Hope you really had a good New Year. Mine really started really well. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it's Happy New Year, guys. Yeah.
Gotcha. Here we're doing a glow. Beautiful. Do you need to use the restroom out before?
No, I think I'm good.
Kind of depends on your veins.
Okay.
This is one of our shorter drips, so I would say 30 minutes or less.
Okay.
Perfect. So what I'm gonna have you do is take a seat here in our lounge, and then I'll let the nurse know that you're here. Okay?
Thanks.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alrighty, do you have any questions about it?
Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah.
We're here if you have any other questions or concerns. Okay, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.
Okay, you too. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, we're done here.
Anything additional, just give us a call.
Okay, yeah, I'll contact them. Yeah, thanks. Have a good day. Okay, now where do we go? We gotta look for something to eat. I decided to take a walk after my IV drip, even though I was told to go home and rest, because I wanted to explore more the east side since I live on the west side. So let's take a walk together and just check out the east side. I walked till I got to the Uganda house, guys. So look at that. I I see our flag. It's right there. Let's go check it out. This is the conference room. Uganda tuli bamaanyi temutuzanyirako. Okay. I have a flight to catch tomorrow. It's literally 1. Bro, it's 1 in the morning and I'm still awake. My flight, I'm supposed to leave home. I've set my alarm to wake up at 6. So I literally have like 4 hours to wake up, get dressed, and get to the airport. And I'm still awake, like wide awake. Saying to me, what's wrong with me? Good night. Morning. Finally just finished getting dressed. And now let's take these calls. Get ready to head to, wow, I like this. Look at that. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be doing this instead of ironing my hair. This is like easy and much better. I mean, look at that. So we're ready to go. Oh, I love these calls. Let's head to bags are ready. We got 3 suitcases.
That it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it. And I'm going back there tonight. You know what's on my mind this time. Going back there tonight and you know what's on my mind. So
You're so cute. So guys, finally I bought it and people are still boarding. I'm excited. I can't wait. Yeah, I can. Thanks. You're welcome. This is the menu. Now let's check and see what they have.
how to party. That's just how I feel when I'm around you. Started. Last night we didn't stay, but girl, we both thought it.
We've got some salads, and then we've got some chicken pesto, and then some bread. So this is our main dish. Got a steak and some potatoes, broccoli, and some
You know what's on my mind, so
morning guys. So now we're having breakfast with coffee and sleeping. This is what we're having. Some fruits, bread, this is honey, juice, and cereals and yogurt. Good. This is good. Oh my goodness. Good morning, guys. It's time is, I don't even know what time it is. My phone shows me 11, but it's probably I don't know, but it's morning time. Just finished having breakfast. That was a heavy breakfast. I don't even need to have like more breakfast when I get to the lounge because I'm full. Yeah, but anyways, we got like maybe 1 hour to land in Addis, and then I have a connecting flight to Entebbe. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get home.
My heart is hard to carry after dark.
Ethiopian is
Y'all to blame for what we
crazy.
could have been, cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it, and I'm going back there tonight. You know what's on my mind this time.
Now I'm on my next flight to Entebbe.
We're back there tonight, and you know what's on my mind. So out of body, that's just how I feel when I'm around you, shorty. Last night we didn't say it, but girl, we both thought it.
Got an omelette, mushrooms, potato wedges, baked beans, fruits, and some cereals, and vanilla yogurt.
I should have stayed, cause you know what's on my mind, so
Airport has changed a lot. That's good. See if my nieces are waiting. Guys, I'm sweating. I had to carry this heavy suitcases. Hey! How are you? Hi, Sammy. How are you? Oh, you brought me flowers. Oh my god, this is so already recorded.
Saturday.